Hi, my name is Andrew with Rainmaker. We're the people who brought you Maglock Air and FluidLogic hydration systems. Today we're going to be talking about our newest product, the FluidLogic Wave. Before we go through the installation process, we're going to go over some of the features of the bottle. Our FluidLogic Wave bottles come in 64 ounce and 32 ounce capacities. The construction of these bottles is kitchen grade stainless steel, and they are double wall insulated so your drinks will stay cold all day. The bottle comes with our quick release roll bar mount, along with a few other items. The next piece of equipment that comes with your FluidLogic Wave system is our fluid line. Our fluid line comes in a variety of different lengths, and it is 100% quick detach on both ends. So what we have on the end is our drip-free bite valve that mounts directly to your roll bar via our roll bar dock. That's magnetic. What also comes in the system is hose clamps so that you can mount the bottle itself to your roll bar, as well as a variety of different straps so that you can keep your fluid line securely attached to your roll bar. To install your system to your roll bar, you will only need either a Phillips head screwdriver or a flathead screwdriver. To install the roll bar side of the mount to your roll bar, you need to grab two of our hose clamps and thread them through the roll bar mount itself. Once that is done, you can begin attaching it to your roll bar. Find a place where you want to put your bottle, wrap it around the roll bar, and start threading the screws through. After your bottle is mounted, I like to start with mounting the dock to your roll bar. So this part is fairly easy. All you have to do is put the strap through and snug it tight. Next, you can get your fluid line and attach it to your bottle. To mount your fluid line to the bottle, all you have to do is press your fluid line in until you hear a click. Route your fluid line through to the dock that you just set up, and it'll magnetically snap on. The final step is to find a strap that suits your needs so that you can keep what's left of your fluid line snug to your roll bar. So take your last strap, make sure you catch the fluid line, and just loop it through nice and snug. Now that your new bottle has been installed, you can now figure out where you want to put your bite valve in your vehicle. For this step, I like to get in the car. And you can now adjust where the bite valve ends up on your roll bar. You can slide it forward or backwards. You can rotate it more inwards so it's out of the way. And now you can figure out what length you want it to, so that when you pull the bite valve down to take a drink, it's comfortable and you can put it back up. This has been the install of the FluidLogic Wave kit. You can find our products at fluidlogic.com. You can also follow our social medias at maglock_USA and FluidLogic_USA. We'll see you out there on the trails.